Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of Rambus INC. We have nearly 23-24 years worth of data for this chart, and I would say the trend looks stable as of now. Why I am saying this? Because the stock has lots of, or I would say the different kind of price movement in the history of its price action, right? So we have various kind of price movements in the history of its price action. Sometimes it's stable, sometimes it's volatile, sometimes it's up and down. So you have everything. But now if you are looking at this chart, you will at least see some sort of sustainability that the stock is trying to show, and let's see whether it's going to stabilize moving forward. Now meanwhile, what has happened is the stock over a period of last couple of years, as you can see, slowly but steadily overcoming above all its resistance, right? So what we have here are a couple of important levels. Primarily you have 26.49, which is your immediate support, because the stock has recently crossed this level, right? The stock has recently crossed this level. It was your big resistance in the year 2008 and 10. So although these two levels look small, but it has its own importance in the past. Now below 26.49 you have 19.39 as your next support, then you have 16, you have 10, you have 7.15, and the lower end of the range is 3.95. So you have all these levels, but you need not to wait for the stock to retest 3.95. So what you're gonna do here is consider either 19 or 16 as your stop loss. Don't go below a certain level. Let the stock show itself that it is now ready for a big move, because it is moving, as you can see, from the lows of 2012-13. It has steadily moved up by 625% in the last, say, 8 years, right? The last 8 or 9 years. Although it looks very small in terms of percentage, but let me tell you, this kind of movement gives much more stability to the stock, because once it once it is out of the woods, you will see everything will get compensated in a very short amount of time, right? So first of all, the stock must sustain above 26.49. Secondly, consider 19.39 or 16 as your support. Any of this as your stop loss. Don't go below these levels, because else the risk will be higher. Now on the upside, first of all, you have two primary levels to look at, which you may consider as your big targets for the time being, because it was your bigger resistance in the past. So the first target we have here is 37.34, and then we have 47.19. So these were your two big targets, or I would say resistance, in the past, in the year 2004 and 2006. And only if only once, I would say, rather than only if, only once it crossed these two levels, you will see momentum further accentuates in a big manner, and you will see your previous high or the bigger levels that it has seen in the year 1999 or 2000, before the Y2K crash. And these two levels we have here are, here we have 116 and $130. So this is what we are looking at as far as the trend or range is concerned. So wait for the stock to surpass 37 and 49, and if it continues to sustain above 26 and a half, it is good. And once these two immediate targets taken out, you will have some big levels to look at going forward. And mind you that this is for a long term chart and the movement of the chart is slow, so don't expect anything miraculous. If stock moves, that's a different thing, but this is a normal moving stock, that's what I'm saying, and it will take time. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.